So I have a few Hondas, cars, bikes. I've been around turbo cars. I've seen them drive by. I've heard them on the highway. Never been in one myself. If I haven't said it in any of my videos before, took my right-hand drive Prelude that XPerformance manual swapped back to them and said, hey, let's throw a turbo on it. I showed you guys the dyno. When he wrapped everything up, we knew the automatic transmission motor couldn't handle too much. We didn't throw that much at it, but first test drive, and we're gonna upgrade some things in the motor. But I've never been in a turbo car, so Carlos was driving me around in mine for the first time. That's the first couple videos that you saw. When I went back down to pick up my CRX, another customer, and I'm going to include both their Instagrams in this video. Follow both of them. Pulled up, he's got a hood exit, Honda. Fired off on that, so loud. Carlos said, hey, give me the keys, I want to take him for a ride. So I get in the passenger seat. He had rolling anti-lag that was connected to the windshield wiper sprayer. I've been a cop for over 20 years. I've chased armed suspects in police pursuits, police chases across state lines. That was the most terrified I have ever been in a vehicle, period. I think a lot of it had to do with the fact that I wasn't driving, Carlos was, and I'm not in control. But the acceleration, the noises, the speed, it was fantastic. So we're gonna get to building the Prelude motor, and I say we, I mean Carlos and XPerformance, so that I can then do that in my Prelude. So enjoy these videos. If you can't tell, you know, I'm going nuts in the passenger seat, scared out of my mind. So have a good one. I have an aftermarket Golden Eagle dipstick that didn't hold with the added oil pressure, and oil shot up, hit the hood, and went all over everything. And that caused all the smoke that was coming in through the car.
This is what? Oh, I just done it 500.
That's insane. It's like a rocket ship.